guys, so we've got these Abarth and 595 badges in gloss black. We'll show you in a minute when they open them. So obviously we're going to take these ones off, stick them ones on basically. What we always suggest is, so you get a good idea of where they are, I'm doing it dead wide because I'm going to buff this bit as well while obviously it's off. So if you give yourself a sort of a square where you know you're going to, and then you're not going to be buffing right up next to the badge, something that's nice and easily peelable as well, like this. We're using electrical tape because it just peels off that easy. And obviously give it a gap either side, and then you're going to go central to that obviously when you reapply it. So there we go. Now hopefully so you can use fishing line on these or a number. I'll just go and get something now and then we'll carry on from there. Okay, so we've got some more bits. So I use what I call a number, but basically a credit card, anything that's nice and thin that you can get underneath. Some people use fishing line, but whatever you think's appropriate just to slice that glue off under there. So you can see there, it just cuts through. Obviously be careful on your paintwork. And we'll just cut that off. And there we go. Now your laborious job of doing this, which takes ages, so I won't bore you with that, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel all that. I'm going to take this one off, peel that, and then obviously we're going to get the tar and glue remover, remove all the residue, give it a clean up, and then we'll come back to you in a minute. Go. Okay guys, so we ended up getting a toffee wheel to remove the glue, which is that one. So obviously get all that different glue off, and obviously it's on a time lapse, so just give it a quick polish so we can get these in. Now what we've noticed is, well, they are a different size to the original badge by quite a bit, so because you'll have an outline of like a dirty mark on there, it's good to get it cleaned up so it's a fresh start, and you obviously know that you're going to go equally away from there obviously on either side, so it's just a peel and stick basically to get that on there. So we'll peel that off, and hopefully, I don't think it's critical because obviously you're going to, once you took the tape off you're not going to know, but you're basically going to go, not there. So if you just touch it on, you can sort of stand back and look and think, yeah, that looks right. Which, we're about right there. So we'll get that on there, give it a good press down. And same for the 595, obviously. Got that one. Again, just peel and stick. And that's just going to go central to that, so obviously you can see where that peak is there. If you go dead in line with that, make sure it's level, which is about there. Gentle press down. Remove the tape, and then obviously when you do come to clean your car, you don't need to go so close to the edges of that one then. So there you go guys, all polished up so you can't see those edges. So you can get these on our website, www.KillAllChrome.com. Keep liking, subscribing, etc. Loads of other Fiat Abarth parts on there. Thanks for watching.